So here's MLB Ballpark app, and let's just explore it. This is the top baseball app in US. It's quite convenient. You can buy tickets here in this app. You can just have them in the app wallet. Then you can just explore all the teams, all the info about teams. And it's quite convenient. As you can see, it's #1 app in the US sports app store. And just open it up. Easily you can create an account, you can enable notifications, and then you can just tap tickets, buy tickets. Then you just buy tickets for specific games, for specific date. And okay, there are some issues, but it happens. What you need to do, you just need to select also your team. So just select your team, and then you can just go and buy tickets. You can select home games, full schedule, D-backs. Just whatever you want, like any team, select a different team. And then just find some tickets here. So it's quite convenient. Can you sell tickets in this app? I don't know. A lot of people asking it. I don't know how to do it. If you bought a ticket and want to resell it in the last minute, or you can't make it to the game, probably it's possible, but I'm not sure. You can always reach out to their support here in the top right. And then here you can just select your team. You can see all the schedule easily, home games, full schedule. Then you can see the park info. You can discover stadium, how to get there, stadium info, seating map, just order some food, get some swag, and all of that. So if you're a fan, definitely try out this app, because then you can also discover all the podcasts, all the blogs about specific team, and it's also a very nice app just to follow that specific team and stay in the loop of the news happening around that. So hope that is helpful.